Hey guys, welcome back. Today in the garden, we're going to be looking at two golden colored florist roses, Spoiler and Golden Mustard. Both are very similar to me, but I will show you them anyways, up close, on the shrub, and in the vase. Starting with Spoiler. This florist rose was bred by Schreurs, which is based out of the Netherlands. I purchased this as a bare root rose last year in 2025 from Grace Rose Farm. What I love about this rose is that it's densely packed with petals and has a light fragrance and an excellent base life. Now here is Spoiler growing down at my cutting field. I find the bloom life cycle to be very interesting for this plant. The blooms start off as a yellow and they gradually deepen to a darker and more muted golden yellow over time. But at the very end of its life cycle, the petals turn completely white, at least when they're left to age on the shrub. The petal count is very dense. I will say that I think Spoiler has more petals than Golden Mustard. On Spoiler, the outer petals, as the blooms age, start to turn white, creating this gradient. And if you note, the petals are all pointy, which is a key difference in discerning the difference between Spoiler and Golden Mustard, along with the whitish color that Spoiler ages to. The bloom shape of Spoiler reminds me of the rose Menta. This is grafted on Dr. Huey rootstock, but it seems to have a lot of vigor behind it. I was able to cut on this shrub constantly throughout the garden season. It also is nearly thornless, which is amazing. I love a rose that I don't have to wear gloves to handle. In addition, it is lightly fragrant and has a very good base life. You can expect about 12 plus days of vase life. In its first season in my garden, I was able to cut pretty long stems, which is amazing for a first year florist rose. Now here is Golden Mustard. Now Golden Mustard is very similar in color, but it was bred by Interplant Roses. My golden mustard plant is own root and I've had it for a couple of years now and it's still rather small and compact. So if you're looking to add this, get it grafted for vigor. Now, just to show you how close these blooms look to one another, here in my hand, I'm showing you Spoiler. So the key difference between these blooms is that Spoiler has pointy petals versus Golden Mustard, which tends to have rounder edged petals. Golden Mustard will sometimes have a pink color on the backside of the petals. You see that especially in greenhouse grown versions of Golden Mustard. Spoiler will only get pink along the edge of the petals, especially when it's starting to open or in cooler weather. In either case, the warm golden tones of both Spoiler and Golden Mustard are perfect for fall themed arrangements. If you are limited on space and looking to add just one rose, I would say just get whichever one you can find freely available in the market because they are so similar. You can't go wrong with either. Now, if you can't find any of them, I would suggest looking at Honey Dijon, which is a garden rose. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll tune in for the next one.